Ocimum tenuiflorum, also known as Ocimum sanctum, holy basil, or tulasi, is an aromatic plant in the family Lamiaceae which is native to the Indian subcontinent and widespread as a cultivated plant throughout the Southeast Asian tropics. It is an erect, many-branched sunshrub, 30 to 60 centimeters tall with hairy stems and simple phyllotaxic green or purple leaves that are strongly scented. Leaves have petioles and are ovate, up to 5 centimeters long, usually slightly toothed. The flowers are purplish and elongate racemes in close whorls. The two main morphotypes cultivated in India and Nepal are green-leaved and purple-leaved. Tulasi is cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes, and for its essential oil. It is widely known across the Indian subcontinent as a medicinal plant and in herbal tea, commonly used in Ayurveda, and has an important role within the Vaishnava tradition of Hinduism, in which devotees perform worship involving holy basil plants or leaves. This plant is revered as an elixir of life. The variety of Ocimum tenuiflorum used in Thai cuisine is referred to as Thai holy basil. It is not to be confused with Thai basil, which is a variety of Ocimum basilicum. Genetics. DNA barcodes of various biogeographical isolates of tulasi from the Indian subcontinent are now available. In a large-scale phylogeographical study of this species conducted using chloroplast genome sequences, a group of researchers from Central University of Punjab, Bathinda have found that this plant originates from north-central India. The discovery might suggest the evolution of tulasi is related with the cultural migratory patterns in the Indian subcontinent. Uses. In Hinduism, tulasi leaves are an essential part in the worship of Vishnu and his avatars, including Krishna and Rama, and other male Vaishnava deities such as Hanuman, Balarama, Garuda and many others. Tulasi is a sacred plant for Hindus and is worshipped as the avatar of Lakshmi. Water mixed with the petals is given to the dying to raise their departing souls to heaven. Tulasi, which is Sanskrit for the incomparable one, is most often regarded as a consort of Krishna in the form of Lakshmi. According to the Brahma Vaivarta Purana, tulasi is an expression of Sita. There are two types of tulasi worshipped in Hinduism. Rama tulasi has light green leaves and is larger in size. Shama tulasi has dark green leaves and is important for the worship of Hanuman. Many Hindus have tulasi plants growing in front of or near their home, often in special pots. Traditionally, tulasi is planted in the center of the central courtyard of Hindu houses. It is also frequently grown next to Hanuman temples, especially in Varanasi. According to Vaishnavis, it is believed in Puranas that during Samudra Manthana, when the gods win the ocean churning against the Asuras, Dhanvantari comes up from the ocean with Amrita in hand for the gods. Dhanvantari, the divine healer, sheds happy tears, and when the first drop falls in the Amrita, it forms tulasi. In the ceremony of Tulasi Vivara, tulasi is ceremonially married to Krishna annually on the 11th day of the waxing moon or 12th of the month of Kartika in the lunar calendar. This day also marks the end of the 4-month Chaturmas, which is considered inauspicious for weddings and other rituals. So the day inaugurates the annual marriage season in India. The ritual lighting of lamps each evening during Kartika includes the worship of the tulasi plant, which is held to be auspicious for the home. Vaishnavas especially follow the daily worship of tulasi during Kartik. In another legend, Tulasi was a pious woman who sought a boon to marry Vishnu. Lakshmi, Vishnu's consort, cursed her to become a plant in earth. However, Vishnu appeased her by giving her a boon that she would grace him when he appears in the form of shalagrama in temples. Vaishnavis traditionally use Hindu prayer beads made from tulasi stems or roots, which are an important symbol of initiation. Tulasi rosaries are considered to be auspicious for the wearer, and believed to put them under the protection of Hanuman. They have such a strong association with Vaishnavis, that followers of Hanuman are known as those who bear the tulasi round the neck. Thulasi grown in front of a house. An altar with tulsi plant for daily worship in a courtyard in India. Ayurveda. Tulasi has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda for its diverse healing properties. It is mentioned in the Karaka Samhita, an ancient Ayurvedic text. Tulsi is considered to be an adaptogen, balancing different processes in the body, and helpful for adapting to stress. Marked by its strong aroma and astringent taste, it is regarded in Ayurveda as a kind of elixir of life, and believed to promote longevity. Tulasi extracts are used in Ayurvedic remedies for a variety of ailments. Traditionally, tulasi is taken in many forms, as herbal tea, dried powder, fresh leaf or mixed with ghee. Essential oil extracted from Karpura. Tulasi is mostly used for medicinal purposes and in herbal cosmetics. Thai cuisine. The leaves of holy basil, known as kaffreo in the Thai language, are commonly used in Thai cuisine. Kaffreo should not be confused with horifer, which is normally known as Thai basil, or with Thai lemon basil. The best-known dish made with this herb is fat kaffreo, a stir-fry of Thai holy basil with meats, seafood or, as in cow fat krafao, with rice. Insect repellent. For centuries, the dried leaves have been mixed with stored grains to repel insects. In Sri Lanka, this plant is used as a mosquito repellent. Sinhala. Majorothala pharmacological study. Some of the main chemical constituents of tulsi are oleanolic acid, ursolic acid, rosmarinic acid, eugenol, carvacrol, linalool, beta-caryophyllene, beta-elemena, and germicana D. Isolated O. Sanctum extracts have some antibacterial activity against E. coli, aureus and P. aeruginoso. Genome sequence. Genome of tulsi plant has been sequenced and the draft genome has been published by a team of researchers from National Centre for Biological Sciences at Bengaluru. The genome size was estimated to be 612 megabases, and results from the sequencing projects show that certain metabolite biosynthesis genes such as genes for biosynthesis of anthocyanin in Krishna tulsi variety, ursolic acid and eugenol in Rama tulsi variety were expressed in large quantities. These metabolites were shown to have anti-cancerous properties as well. It was further commented that these metabolites could be utilized as anti-cancerous drugs.